Welcome back to Tech Goods, your go-to place for practical reviews of tech and lifestyle essentials that make a real difference. Today we're diving into a product that's all about comfort and wellness. The Wayfair Sleep Nora Medium Cooling Gel. Memory Foam Mattress. If you've been searching for a mattress that can help improve your sleep quality, stay cool at night, and deliver full body support, then this is one you'll want to know more about. Stick around as we unpack everything this mattress offers, from its cooling tech to long-term performance, and find out if it truly lives up to the hype. The Wayfair Sleep Nora mattress is designed to strike a perfect balance between softness and support. It features multiple layers of memory foam, including a top layer infused with cooling gel, which helps reduce heat buildup during the night. The mattress is wrapped in a breathable, cool-to-the-touch cover that immediately gives off a refreshing feel. Rated as medium firm, it caters to a wide range of sleepers, whether you sleep on your back, stomach, or side. The mattress arrives compressed and rolled in a box, making it easy to transport and set up. Once unboxed, it expands to full size within 48 to 72 hours. One of the standout features of this mattress is its ability to keep sleepers cool. The cooling gel within the memory foam absorbs and disperses body heat, helping to regulate your temperature throughout the night. Combined with the soft, breathable cover that feels cool on contact, this mattress is a solid option for anyone who tends to overheat while sleeping. It's worth noting that while the mattress is compatible with toppers, using one that isn't cooling enabled might reduce the overall temperature regulation. So if cooling is a priority, it's best to skip the topper or choose one designed for airflow. Beyond cooling, this mattress incorporates green tea extract within its foam layers, a detail you might not expect, but one that has lasting benefits. Green tea helps keep the foam fresh over time by naturally neutralizing odors and discouraging bacterial buildup. That means your mattress not only stays comfortable but also maintains a clean, inviting feel even months into use. For those who want a mattress that stays fresh without extra treatments or chemicals, the green tea infusion is a smart touch that adds real value. Comfort is one of the most important factors in any mattress, and the Nora does an excellent job delivering it. The medium firm support provides a pleasant hug without sinking in too far. It contours nicely to your shoulders and hips if you're a side sleeper, while still offering the firmness needed for back or stomach sleeping. The foam layers are responsive yet steady, so you don't feel like you're trapped in the mattress. This balanced support also helps promote better spinal alignment, which is crucial for avoiding aches and discomfort in the morning. Unboxing the Nora mattress is a smooth and surprisingly satisfying experience. It comes rolled up in a compact box that's easy to handle, even solo. Once you cut away the plastic and lay it out, it begins to decompress almost immediately. While it takes a couple of days to fully regain its shape and feel, you'll notice the quality and density of the foam from the start. Some users might detect a light off-gassing smell, typical with memory foam, but this usually fades within 24 to 48 hours with proper ventilation. Overall, setup is quick and hassle-free. Made in the USA, the Wayfair Sleep Nora mattress is constructed using high-quality, certified foams that meet strict standards for durability and safety. The stitching is tight and the edges hold their form well, which helps the mattress maintain a neat appearance over time. Perhaps most importantly, it comes with a 10-year limited warranty from the manufacturer. That's a big vote of confidence in the product's longevity and an important peace of mind feature for buyers who want to make a solid long-term investment. One user shared their experience saying, "I recently paired this mattress with a bed frame I picked up from Wayfair, and let me tell you, it's been a game changer. I love how comfortable it is. I've slept like a baby." Finding the right mattress has always been a challenge for me, especially since I struggled with back issues, but this one does the trick. I felt my body gently sink into the bed, almost as if it was hugging me. If you're on the hunt for a mattress, I wholeheartedly recommend trying this one. That kind of real-world comfort story is exactly what many buyers are looking for. Another enthusiastic review reads, "Don't walk, run. This mattress was so worth the money, and my husband is so particular with what he sleeps on, and he loved it. I am so happy with this mattress. We'll be purchasing again for our 3 other bedrooms. Such a great buy." When someone plans to reorder for multiple rooms, that's a great indicator of both satisfaction and consistent quality. It's also reassuring to hear from buyers who have different sleep preferences and still find the mattress incredibly comfortable. Durability is a major concern for any mattress, and the Nora holds up well under extended use. Thanks to its quality foam construction and strong base layers, it retains its structure and comfort even after several months. Some slight softening can occur as the foam adapts to your body, but it doesn't lead to sagging or loss of support. Plus, the green tea infusion and breathable cover contribute to long-term freshness, reducing the need for frequent cleaning or deep deodorizing. This mattress is built not just for comfort, but for reliable performance year after year. When it comes to value, the Nora mattress delivers a lot for a reasonable price. Compared to premium memory foam models with similar features, this one is far more accessible without sacrificing quality. You're getting cooling tech, green tea infusion, durable construction, and a 10-year warranty, all in one package. For budget-conscious buyers, first-time homeowners, or those furnishing multiple rooms, the Nora hits that sweet spot between affordability and high performance. It's a rare combination that makes it stand out in a crowded market. This mattress is an excellent choice for a wide audience. Hot sleepers will appreciate the cooling elements. People with back or joint issues will benefit from the balanced medium-firm support. Couples will enjoy the low-motion transfer and universal comfort. It's also ideal for guest rooms, rental properties, or college apartments, anywhere you want comfort and reliability without breaking the bank. With its blend of comfort, freshness, and value, the Nora mattress adapts to a variety of needs and lifestyles. So there you have it, a full look at the Wayfair Sleep Nora Medium Cooling Gel Memory Foam Mattress. From its smart cooling design to its medium firm support and fresh, durable build, it's a mattress that really delivers on comfort and value. If you've been considering a new mattress for your home, this one should definitely be on your short list. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Subscribe to Tech Goods for more deep dive reviews and smart product insights every week. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.